الله وبركاته.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له. وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn Surah Al-Maun. Surah Al-Maun, it is Makki Surah. There are 7 verses of this Surah, and in the sequence, it is 107th Surah of Al-Quran. So, Aisha, can you recite?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
MashaAllah, Barakallahu Fiki. So, Aisha, can you recite again? But don't stop at Al-Yatim. Okay, stop at Al-Miskin. Then continue. Don't stop until end. Okay?
Okay. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي sorry. How was the sequence you asked me to?
Aisha, you know about that Quran? These signs, do you know?
A bit.
Do you know these signs?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Oh, so like, at ta you have to stop and at lam you don't have
Yes,
to.
stop here and la,
Okay.
don't stop. Continue.
Okay.
This is the beauty of this surah,
أرأيت
this kind of surahs.
Okay. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
MashaAllah, taqabbalallahu minki, barakallahu fiki. Okay, so today we are going to learn Surah Al-Maun. Maun, the meaning of Maun is actually withhold, or the things which are very small to share and to use, and these things are supportive things which we are using in our day-to-day life routine, even in home, even on the job, or like, for example, if I have a pen, it is to write, and someone is asking me to use it. This can be called Maun in today's time. But what is referred in Quran, it is actually a household, like utensils of the home. You are going to your neighbor and asking them to give some plate or some cup, like these small things, small things. They are called ma'un. So in the last verse, this word is there. The surah is not about ma'un, but there is a word ma'un. So this ma'un is given, the name is given to this surah. Yes, this is a part of that surah, but the topic of the surah is not only al-ma'un. Okay. So we'll continue. Aisha, can you join?
Yes.
Ashifa, you also can join.
Yes, sir.
So, Ashifa, what is Hamza in the beginning?
Sir, harful istifham.
Harful istifham. Okay, good.
Harf of questioning.
Very good harf of questioning. Aisha, ra'aita, what is ra'aita?
رأيت is فعل ماضي. فاعل is أنت. مادة is را همزة يا and it's from باب فا.
Okay, very good. What is the file?
فاعل is أنت.
Anta. So if we are saying file is anta, so can you translate only up to here, Aisha? Ara'aita?
Have you seen?
Very good. Have you seen? So normally this istifham, it is coming for some type of confirmation. For example, I know that Aisha, you have seen something. So I'll ask, Aisha, did you see Niagara Falls? What you will say?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I am
Yes
hoping
or
that
no?
you know. Okay. Maybe I need answer
Yes.
from you, yes or no. I don't want detail. Maybe I can ask detail later on. So maybe I need answer only yes or Araiti, Niagara Fall, you will say. If you've seen yes, yes, I seen. Or this kind of verb, Araita, it is also, there is a difference of opinion here, Raita, because Raita, it has two meanings. It is called, one is called Ru'ya Basariya. Okay? What? Ru'ya Basariya. What does it mean? Seen by your eye. So, another by your thoughts. It means your thoughts. Araita. Did you observe? So you can say observe. So observation is not only required what? Eyes. It needs your brain, correct? Did you
Yes,
see
sir.
that? It means you seen, but you did not observe. Maybe you seen a scene. You saw a person, but you did not observe him deeply. And I want to point out something. So I know you have seen a person, but you did not observe him, what he done. So Aisha, did you see? It means my question, I know you see the Ahmad is doing something, but you did not observe. So I want you to observe it now. So normally the scholars, they are saying, if Ra'aita, it is having two maf'ul. How many maf'ul, Aisha?
Two مفعول.
Two maf'ul. Then it means we are talking about seeing something by your eyes. Okay? It is, if it is
Okay.
having only one maf'ul, it means I'm discussing about what? Only ru'ya qalbiya,
Observing.
observation.
Okay.
So did you observe? But translation will be very clearly, did you saw? Okay, have you seen?
Nice.
So if I want to
Yes.
give example, ru'ya basariya, Ara'aiti Khalidan Na'iman, did you see Khalid sleeping? So now there are two maf'uls. Okay, this ra'a is actually, it is coming from of alul qulub sometime. So there is this only small difference. But the ulama, they have differed here in this ayah. Some of them, they said, yes, this is also ru'ya basariya. It requires two maf'ul, but the second maf'ul is mahzuf, omitted. But some scholars said, no, it is an observation. It is just, it said, did you observe someone like that who is doing? Because we are seeing the people, they are making takdeeb, but we did not observe in detail. Okay. I hope this ra'a yara is clear. So, ara'aita.
Yes, sir.
So, Ashifa, now we
Yes, sir.
already come to know that ra'aita, file is anta, correct?
Yes, sir.
When the file is anta, it means now another file cannot come, correct?
Yes.
All the students, they have to observe this point. Now you already observed anta is file. Actually, in original Arabic language, file is ta. What?
Ta.
This is file. If we'll talk original Arabic grammar standard, so this is ta. We are using anta for our easiness. Okay. So araita.
Yes, sir.
Now, because there is a sentence after ra'ita. So, Ashifa, we have to bring out the Airab of alladhi. What is Airab? Raf, Nasb or Jar?
Nasb, sir,
Yes,
because it
it
is
cannot be
maf'ul bihi.
marfu because Ra'aita, already we have file.
Yes, sir.
So it
Did you
cannot be
see
file
what?
now.
Yes.
And it cannot be majroor because there is no harf jar. It cannot be
Yes.
mudaf ilayh because there is no ism before it. So now the
Yes.
only position is remaining is mansoob. Why mansoob? Maf'ul. Because alladhi, it also cannot be a hal. Okay?
Okay.
So, alladhi yukadhibu bid-deen. Very good. It is maf'ul, mansoob. So, what is the sila of alladhi?
Yukazibu bid-din.
Very good. It's sila. Silatul mawsul. Which type of jumla? Failiya or ismiya?
Jumla fi'liya.
Very good. It's jumla failiya. Diba, can you join Ghazala?
Yes, sir.
Diba, yukadhibu. Which fail? Madi or mudare?
Sir, it is Muzari.
Good. Root letters.
Sir, Kaf, Zal, Ba.
Very good.
Kazzaba.
And what is
Sir,
the file?
sir, file is Huwa.
Very good. So huwa file, it is reverting where?
Sir, towards Allazi.
Towards alladhi. What is the bab of yukadhibu?
Sir, Bab Tafil.
Very good. Bab taf'il. What will be the madi?
Sir, Kazzaba Yukazzibu.
Kadhaba yukadhibu. Since huwa is referring to alladhi. Because remember, the silatul mawsul, the sentence silatul mawsul, we should have some pronoun there which is reverting back to ismul mawsul. The connection between ismul mawsul and sentence will be with dhamir, with pronoun. It can be
Yes.
hidden, it can be apparent also. In both the cases it is possible. So biddeen, what is this with the yukadhibu?
So it is Mutalik fail.
Very good. Okay, what does it mean, ad-deen, Hiba?
So it is regarding our the judgment day.
It is the deen mean when we will be repaid. Whatever
Yes, we
we
will be
done
respected.
will be
Yes.
given the rewards of those. If it's good, good reward. If bad, it's bad reward.
Yes.
So, yukadhibu bid-deen. So, how you will translate it, Aisha? أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ bid-deen?
Um, have you seen the one who denies the recompense?
Very good. Have you seen who denies the recompense? Good. Compensation. Jaza, deen. Okay, we'll move forward. So, Iram, can you join Sana Afzal?
Yes, sir.
Iram, dhalika. What is the dhalika?
Mishara.
Please be careful. Please keep your surroundings noise free, please. If you have noise, don't unmute. Okay, Iram. Dhalika, what is the dhalika?
So it is Mishara.
It is
Here
ism
it is.
ishara. So now this sentence is jumla failiya or ismiya?
So it is Jumla Ismiya.
It is jumla ismiya. Okay. Now for this fa, I'll just discuss slightly, very lightly. Don't take it as a burden. Ayah is coming. أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ بِالدِّينِ. Now you students are observing this. Stop here. It means this sentence is completed here. And فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُ الْيَتِيمَ, continue. وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ. Then stop again. Now this fa, scholars they said that actually there is a shart, jumla to shart mahdhuf. Okay, so dhalika ismu ishara. Fa, this fa is said that jumla to shart mahdhuf. For example, you said someone, did you see Hamid, what he's doing? And yet then you'll say, if you see him, then you will see this. So this is if, and if you have saw, if you have seen. So that sentence is omitted. That is called fa jawab shart, jumla to shart mahdhuf. Because it was not compulsory to repeat again that if you saw. So the first sentence is enough. Okay, ذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدْعُ الْيَتِيمَ. Now tell me, Ghazala, what is ذَلِكَ? Is mubtada or khabar or what?
It is Mubtada, sir.
It is mubtada. Very good. So, Shumaila Irfan, الَّذِي يَدْعُ الْيَتِيمَ. This sentence is what here?
Sir, it is khabar.
It is khabar. Very good. Khabar ismul mawsool. So, what is the Airab of alladhi, Shumaila?
Allazi is marfu because
Is
it is
marfu.
a
Very
khabar.
good. Excellent. Sana, yadu'u. Which verb? Madi or mudare?
Sir, Azan is going on here.
So continue. Give me answer and mute.
Okay, sir. Allazi is
No, I asked
ism.
about yadu'u.
Okay. Yadu'u is muzare, dal, ain madda,
Okay. Which
and
letter?
bab
Sorry,
noon.
Bab.
Bab noon.
Okay. Da'a yadu'u. Good.
The
What is the file?
huwa file is
Okay. Thank you very much. You can mute. Huwa file. Diba, huwa file is referring to where?
Sir, it is referring to allazi.
Very good. Saliha, yatima, why it is mansoob?
It's maful, sir.
Okay. So, Salih, what does it mean, al yatim?
Orphan.
Orphan. What do you mean by orphan?
A child who does not have any parents.
So this orphanage up to which age?
Uh, until bulug.
Until what?
Until he's 12 years old.
Yeah, until he is there's
Or she is.
no limit of age until he gets on his own feet. What does it mean? If he gets to the
Until
age where he can sustain his life, it can be 12, it can be 13, 14, 15, 16, so and so. It does not mean a boy want to study in the university and he will wait until the 30 years of age and he will be called orphan. No, he has powers since 12, 13, 14 years. He can sustain on his life, he can work in the shops, he can earn his money, he can do his jobs, he can hold himself. It starts from 12, 13 and so on for the boy. So then he cannot claim at the age of university level that I am orphan. No, he should not say that. Okay, it is the actually childhood and especially until the age of where he can sustain himself. That is called al-yatim. It means in the smaller age. So what does it mean? Yadu'u, da'a yadu'u, Ghazala?
Repulse.
Yeah, repulse, or you can say to push someone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how you will translate, Ghazala, the full sentence? فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُ الْيَتِيمِ.
So that is the one who repulses the orphan.
Who repulses the orphan. So it means this thing is not good to do. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We should not repulse someone who is orphan. So we should be very kind to him. Even we don't like some act from him, if he does some blunder, even though we have to be very kind to him. He is child. He has very light heart. He has very soft heart. We should not disturb his heart. He is already fatherless. Father has died. So orphan is called specially whose father is died. If mother died, that guy is not called orphan. Only orphan is when the father is died. فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُ الْيَتِيمَ. Okay, we'll move to next ayah. وَلَا يَهُدُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ. Okay, Nurul Duha, can you tell me this la is what? Nafi or nahi?
Nahi, sir.
Nurul Duha, what is the difference between la, nafi and nahi?
Sir, nahi is to say no, but la nafi is to negate.
So how you decide that that is la nahi and that is la nafi?
Because after la nahi, it is mudare.
Mudare,
Yes, sir.
only mudare.
And is also it is marfu, sir.
Okay, so la nahi, it is marfu. Aisha Dania, her answer is correct or no?
I think no.
What is the answer then?
Um, I think it's mansoob after la nahi. No,
Okay,
actually la nahi comes like to stop someone for doing something.
okay, Shumaila Irfan, what is the difference between la nahi and la nafi?
Yes, sir. In la nafi, we have muzare marfu, and in la nahi, we have muzare majzoom.
Nurul Duha, did you listen?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah, I got it.
Aisha, did you listen what she said? Aisha Dania,
Yeah, yeah, I heard.
what sister Shumaila answered? Can you repeat, Aisha?
She said, for la nafi, after la nafi, it's mudari' marfu', and after la nahi, it's mudari' majzoom.
Okay, Muzare Majzoom. So if Yahuddu is going to be Majzoom, how it will be?
Should I answer?
Yes?
La yahud, I think.
Okay, it will be actually when we have Muda'af, it gets Majzoom like La Yahudda with
Oh,
Fatha.
okay.
Okay, so normally you will not observe this kind of thing when we have Muda'af. Normally there will be Noon Sakila with La Nahi. Okay, La Yahuddu ala ta'amil miskin. So this La Nafi, okay, Nurudduha, this normal La Nafi.
Yes, sir. It's la
Okay, tell
nafi.
me Yahuddu is which fail, Madi or Mudare?
This is mudare, sir.
Okay, what is the root letter?
Root letter is ha, dod, dod.
Okay, chapter Noon, Fa, Kaf, what?
Um, 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 chapter.
Okay, Noon, always observe. If you find two Dhamma,
Yes,
99% Noon, okay? Nasara
yes, sir.
Yansuru, Hadda Yahuddu. So what is the fa'il Nurudduha?
File is huwa, sir.
Okay, Huwa. It is reverting back where? To Zalika or Alladhi?
It is reverting back to allazi, sir.
Alladhi, okay. فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُهُ الْيَتِيمُ وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ. It means this vow is for ataf. This whole sentence is getting ataf on يَدُعُ الْيَتِيمُ. It means two things. يَدُعُ الْيَتِيمُ وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ. Okay. Ashifa, what does it mean? يَحُضُّ?
Sir, encourage.
To encourage. Very good. La Yahuddu, what does it come in translation? La Yahuddu,
He does not encourage.
he does not encourage. Ta'amil miskin. So, what does it mean, miskin?
The needy one.
So, ta'amul miskin, which murakkab?
Idafi.
Idafi. It is muta'alliq fail. How you will translate the sentence? Wala yahuddu ala ta'amil miskin.
He does not encourage upon the feeding of the poor,
Very
upon
good.
the feeding of the needy.
Very good. And does not encourage the feeding of the poor. So what does it mean, miskin and faqir? What is the difference, Sabiha? Faqir and miskin.
Not precisely, I don't know, sir.
No problem.
Sir, with fakir, from the physical appearance itself, we know that that person is poor.
Fakir
But
means he's
for
not
Hold on,
miskin,
something.
hold on, one by one. Hold on. Ashifa, now you tell me.
but for miskin, like from the external appearance, we may not come to know that that person is poor. But maybe inside his home, like they will be suffering. He may not
Okay,
have
Salia,
enough food. And
what do you say?
Fakir is someone who has at least food for 3 days, and miskin is someone who does not have anything.
Okay, Ashifa, your answer is almost correct. What you answered about Fakir?
fakir, from seeing that person itself, we can come to know that that person is poor.
Okay, and now I'll give you a clear definition of the both difference. Fakir, a guy, a person who does not have anything. He don't have home, he has nothing. He is fakir. And miskin, he has something, but it is not enough for him. Maybe he has one bread, but he has 3 children. So this one bread is not enough for him. But fakir, he don't even have one bread. Miskin, maybe he has a home, but this home is for one room. But he has 3 children. This home is not enough for him. Fakir, he don't have any home. He is homeless. Now you people got the difference between fakir and miskin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And mostly the miskin, they don't ask. They don't ask.
Yes, sir.
Fakir,
Yes.
yes, they are asking. But miskins, they don't ask. So, wala yahuddu ala ta'amil miskin, it means now we should learn that in first ayah, alladhi yadu'ul yatim, it means we have to be very careful when we are dealing with the orphans. Second thing, now here it's ayah, wala yahuddu ala ta'amil miskin. It means to feed the poor, it is the compulsory thing. If you observe there is a miskin, you should approach him. This ayah is talking about encouraging. It means encourage is the second step. Allah is talking about the second step. It means first step is compulsory. I have to feed, and next I have to motivate others also that please take care of masakin. Okay, we'll go to the next ayah. فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ. Now this fa is called isti'nafiya. Okay, isti'nafiya. Isti'nafiya mean new sentence is starting. How will recognize that that is a new sentence? Because this sentence has no connection with the previous ones by meaning. Even by pronoun, there is no connection in between. This is a totally different noun, different topic, different subject. Totally subject is converting. So in that case, the waw or fa, it will be istinafiya, it means new sentence. Fawailun lil musallin. So wailun, it is woe, it is like for some misfortune, something very, very bad. So some of ulama, they said maybe it is one of the place of the hell, but most of them, they are saying, no, it's a vow, it means misfortune to someone. So it is always coming as mubtada nakira. So if it is mubtada, then what is lil musallin here, Sana Afzal?
Yes, sir, it will be khabar.
It
And
will be
if
khabar.
no, not khabar, it will be lil musallin, so it is shibu jumla khabar.
Shibu jumla khabar. Good. So al musallin, it is which type of noun? Ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul?
Yeah, it is ismul fa'il.
Ismul
Ismul
fa'il.
fa'il.
What is the root letter? Sad,
Ba,
lam, waw. And chapter is
she,
tafeel. Salla, yusalli. What will be the wahid iram? Wahid.
So Wahid will be Musalla.
Musallin.
Yes, a Musallin.
Musallin. Ismu manqus. So Actually, this waw at the end, it is dropped in wahid. So when we'll make plural of musallin, it will be musalluna. Okay?
Yes.
Musalluna. Musalluna, musallina, musallina. The guy who prays that called musallin. So how you will translate Iram? Fawailun lil musallin.
So woe to those who pray.
Who pray. It means to who? Who pray. So who does not pray? What will be for him? Iram, this woe is to those who are praying. They are praying salah. They are offering prayer. And those who are not offering, so what they will get? Something bigger than woe.
Yes, a bigger.
Malakum. Oh, how this is the ayah, Aisha? Malakum fi saqar?
مالك قالوا لم نكن من المصلين.
قالوا لم نكن من المصلين. What they will answer? We were not from those who were praying.
ما
So it
سلككم في
means who
سقر.
will not pray, his destiny is where? Hell. And this ayah is for those who are praying, but praying how they are praying. Okay, now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us how they are praying. What is the Aisha, what is the Diba Alladina here? How you will do the Airab? It is Rafu, Nasab, or Jar.
Sir, it is Ismu Mausul.
Okay,
So,
Marfu, Majroor, Mansoob.
so it will be Mansoob. It is
It will be Majroor.
Majroor.
Why Majroor?
Okay.
Because in the previous ayah you observe Lil Musallina. Now
It
Musallina
will be
is
Sifa.
plural, okay?
Yes.
This law you are observing. Ayah is continuing. So you should connect it with previous ayah that it is explaining something. You can observe by the numbers and jinns and all everything. So it is actually sifa of musallin. Okay? Sifat ismu mawsul. So what is the sila sana here? Sana Afzal?
Yes, sir. Hum and salatihim sahun. This whole will be nominal sentence will be sila.
It is jumla ismiya or failiya?
So hum and salatihim sahun is jumla ismiya, nominal sentence.
What is the mubtada and khabar?
Hum zamir is mubtada, and an salatihim sahun is ismul fa'il, and it is khabar, and an salatihim is mutaliq khabar.
Very good. It is mutaliq khabar came for taqeed before khabar. Mubtada, mutaliq fail, khabar, sahin, ismul fa'il, sin, ha, waw, mada. It means uh, to be heedless, like who is not too much caring for something. He is not he is not focusing on the time. He is not focusing on the conditions of salah. He is not following the pillars of salah. Alladhina hum an salatihim sa'un. It means woe to those who are heedless of their prayers. What does it mean? Maybe they don't pray on time. They are delaying their prayer. For example, the Zohar time started. They are delaying until Asr. Before Asr, 5 minutes, they want to pray. Or even they are careless and they are continuing and they don't care. The time has been passed. They are just losing the time. Or if they are praying, they are not praying with attention. They are not focusing on, they are standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are not focusing on meaning. They are not focusing what they are saying. They don't know, and they are just praying, but they are making the calculations of their jobs, their businesses, their plannings. Or, for example, they are praying and they are not completing their sujood, their ruku. They are so quick in their prayers. So there are multiple explanations for sahuna. So alladhina hum an salatihim sahun. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to who? For those who are praying, but praying in which condition? So it is very serious matter. It means who don't pray, for him something bigger than that. Okay, we'll move to the next ayah. Alladhina hum yura'un. So this sifat are continuing. Okay, this is sifa number second. So Sabiha hum yura'un. Which sentence? Ismiya or failure?
Ismiya, sir.
What is the mubtada khabar?
Mubtada is hum and yuraun is khabar.
What is the file of yura'una?
Hum, sir.
What is the chapter and root letter?
It's Ra Hamza Ya. Bab Mufala.
Very good. Ba mufa'ala ra'a yura'i, to show off. How you will translate alladhina hum yura'un?
Those who show off.
Yes, those who show off. It means the woe is continuing. Those who make show off. Show off what? Show off their deeds. Or if you are connecting it with the prayers, because it's coming, wailun lil musallin alladhina hum an salatihim sahun alladhina hum yura'un. So first of all, we'll connect it with salah al musalli, who is praying. So he is what he is praying. For example, when he is alone, he is not praying. When he is with the people, he is praying. It is salah of munafiq. If he was musalli, he should pray alone also. When he is alone, he is not praying. It is show off. And for example, if he is praying also, but is in his habits that whenever he does something good, he shows it off. So our good deeds, especially nawafil and sadaqah, charity, we should hide. If there is a reason to show, it means to show off that you are doing it. It means reason to show, to encourage someone. Yes, in that case, it is good. That if, for example, you know that if you will do some charity and your friends maybe will get encouraged, yes, there you should do it. For example, you are sitting between 10 to 15, your colleagues or friends, and you are discussing about charity, and suddenly a chance of charity is arising, and you are giving charity, and you are doing something. No problem, do it. Just keep in your mind you are doing for Allah, but you also want to encourage your friends, also encourage them. It will be an encouragement for them. Okay, alladhina hum yura'un wa yamna'un al-ma'un. This is the last thing in this ayah. Yamna'un al-ma'un. This is the khabar number 2, because sentence is continuing. Alladhina hum yura'un wa yamna'un al-ma'un. It means this is waw ataf. This full sentence is ataf on which one? Hum yura'un. So this is second khabar. So yamna'un al-ma'un. What is the file of yamna'una ghazala?
Home.
Hum. Good. What is the root letter and which fail madi or mudare?
Root letters are mim, noon, and ain. Mana'a, yamna'u. This is fail mudare on baf fa.
Good. So al-ma'una, what is why it's mansoob?
It is maful bihi for yamna'una.
Very good. And they withhold or they stop from assistance. Okay. So household things, the things for assistance, they are not giving, they are not supporting to those who want support. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us a good heart to support. Okay, I will ask a question. If someone asks you, Diba, can I make a call from your phone call? So will it be called Maun or no?
It will be called Maun.
If someone asks you, can you give me your car, I want to go, it will be Maun or no?
So for a while, it can be Maun.
No.
No.
It's not a small thing.
Okay, sir.
Always remember, al-Ma'un are those things, if they get destroyed or if they are not returned back to you, it does not matter.
Okay.
You given a plate to your friend, and she does not return you, is this a big matter?
No, no, it is not.
If she breaks, is a big matter?
No, nothing.
If you give her a car and she make accident, is a big matter or no?
Yes, sir, it is a big
It's
matter.
a big matter. It's not only a big
Yes.
matter, it will maybe come as a crime.
Yes, yes.
Because if someone makes accident, I also will be called by police. Why you given your car to this guy?
Yes.
Okay, so now I think you understood the meaning of Maun. So giving pen is a Maun or no?
It is a Maun, sir.
No problem. If he does not return also, there is no issue. So, but remember, sharing a Wi-Fi hotspot, it is a Maun or no?
So it is a no, sir, it is not Maun.
It is not Maun.
Yes, sir.
First of all, you are paying heavily for your Wi-Fi, okay?
Yes, sir.
Second, the guy, if your friend, she wants a hotspot Wi-Fi from you, she is abusing your kindness. But there is a case it can be Ma'un. I'll give you example. I was in Masjidul Haram many days back. Even this happened with Nadia also. One guy, one small child, I think his age was maybe 10 years or 11 years. He came to me. He said, Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. Can you share your hotspot with me? He directly said. I said, why? He said, actually, my family I lost my family. So I want to connect with them by WhatsApp. I want to call them by WhatsApp. So I need your hotspot for short time. I said, no problem. Okay, Diba, in this case,
Yes, sir.
it will be Ma'un.
Yes.
It will be Ma'un also, and it will be charity also, because you are helping someone. He needs your
Yes.
assistance. But if someone is sitting in Haram and he wants Wi-Fi hotspot from me to use internet, it will not be a Ma'un. Whatever the time he will waste, it will be calculated in Muhammad Tariq account. If someone asks you to give your Wi-Fi password, and whatever the drama, the movies or music she or he will listen, you will get the full reward of it. Understood, Diba?
Yes, sir.
People take it very lightly. Sharing
Yes,
Wi-Fi
yes.
password. No, it's a big matter now. Whatever he will do on his internet, you are 110% responsible for that. Yeah, if he pays you, then you are not responsible. Okay, Diba?
Yes, sir. Okay.
If he pays you. Okay, I'll share the bill. Then in that case, but since at that case also it will not be recommended, because you will be the way of those things, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But there is a point. If you can tell him that, please, this Wi-Fi is I'm giving you the password, but please don't watch the movies, don't watch the songs, okay?
Yes, yes.
And don't do the things which is prohibited in Islam, no problem. So after that, if he does that, you are not responsible, correct? Because
Yes, sir. Correct.
you already explained that person. Now, as a Muslim, he should be responsible. It is giving some, if you will give your home to someone and he brings alcohol in your home and he enjoys the party, will you like it?
No, no.
This Wi-Fi is the same thing.
Yes.
But people take it very lightly. No problem. Sharing password, Wi-Fi, no, it's a big issue. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open our hearts to understand his book, his sayings, and the sayings of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك اللهم صل وسلم على نبينا محمد آمين يا رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته